everyone. Hope all of you are fit and fine. I again request stay at home and try to break the virus cycle. Cycle কথা কওঁতে আমি আৰু কিছুমান cycle কথা পঢ়িব পাৰো কিছুমান natural cycle আছে some natural cycles are there in our ecosystems and these cycles are known as biogeochemical cycle. These are some cycle which present in our ecosystem in an earth. So biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycle means here in which the chemical compounds moves through the biotic and abiotic component in an earth. Chemical compound bilak জৈৱিক আৰু অজৈৱিক উপাদানৰ জৰিয়তে ট্ৰেভেল কৰি সাইকেল কৰি গৈ থাকে তো এনেকুৱা কিছুমান ন্যাচাৰাল সাইকেল আছে যিবিলাক আমাৰ ইকোসিস্টেমত চলি থাকে. So let us discuss about this cycle. So lots of cycles are there include in this biogeochemical cycle. Today we are discussing about the carbon cycle. Carbon cycle. Carbon is very important component or very important component for us. Why it is important? All living and non-living things are made up of carbon. That means major compound or major component is carbon. In atmosphere, 0.03% carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide. Then protein, then carbohydrate, lipid, nucleic acid that means DNA, RNA, then vitamins, all contain carbon. So carbon is very important or very essential compound. And the pure form of carbon is diamond or graphite. Diamond and graphite. These are the pure form of carbon. So carbon is a very important component for us. So now come to this cycle. How carbon is moves through the biotic and abiotic component in an earth. So carbon present in an atmosphere, earlier we were discussing about this. So carbon is present in carbon dioxide form in an atmosphere in 0.03%. Carbon dioxide form of atmosphere carbon khini thake এইখিনি এমাউন্টত থাকে খুব কম এমাউন্টত থাকে এতিয়া কেনেকৈ হয় কার্বন সাইকেল divided into two part দুটা ভাগত বিভক্ত কৰা হৈছে এটা আছে biological and another one is geological cycle. Biological and geological cycle. So let us start from the biological cycle or biological carbon cycle. What happened? In biological carbon cycle, carbon is present in atmosphere in carbon dioxide form. Carbon dioxide has been taken by plant or by producer. That means the plant, they take carbon dioxide and they form glucose. We know the process of photosynthesis. What happens in photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide plus water molecule, 12 water molecule. It gives C6H12O6. It is an organic compound. C6H12O6 glucose plus 6 oxygen plus 6 water molecule. So this is the simple form of photosynthetic reaction. So by the process of photosynthesis, plant absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and they form organic compound that is glucose. They produce their own food material. So in this way atmospheric carbon is transferred into a organic compound, that is glucose. Then again amar gosok kune khai? Consumer khai. Yata primary consumer se secondary consumer se directly or indirectly planter upor nirbhorshil. To consumer gosok khai orthat gosor pora glucose khini consumer loke gusi ahil. Consumer upor ete ki hobo? All these are living organisms, all animals, cow or all herbivorous animals, so and carnivore animals also, because carnivore animals are depend upon the herbivore animals, and by this cycle carbon is moves through the biotic component. So in consumer the organic compound is stored. After that, by the process of respiration, again the carbon molecule in the form of carbon dioxide again it release. That means jetia consumer plantor pra organic molecule organic compound to khai pelai yate store hol, tar piso sokhonor joriote again carbon dioxide to atmosphere of ulai gol. So this is the cycle, or it is known as biological carbon cycle. Yar bhitor aru eta cycle hobo pare jodi consumer death hoy ba plant death material thakibo pare. From the death or decay material also carbon dioxide released to the atmosphere. Death and decay organic compound or posa mora posa bostu pora carbon dioxide kini release hobo atmosphere leke aru enekeo cycle to soli goi thake. So this is the biological carbon cycle. Then the second part is the geological carbon cycle. In geological carbon cycle, what happens? Carbon dioxide, geological carbon cycle ki hoy? Carbon dioxide pani logot mili pelai borokhun hoy pore, rain hoy pelai pore, pori pelai ihote carbonic acid form kore. Carbonic acid H2CO3. ঠিক আছে? লিখে দিছো এটা H2CO3. It is a carbonic acid. Carbon dioxide rain or water log hoy pelai carbon dioxide water log hoy pelai carbonic acid form kore. Aru atmosphere pora carbon dioxide khine matit earthot pore. Tar pisot carbon dioxide titia rock ba field ot poribo, tare hill ba rock khini gura hobo. এই process to কোৱা হয় weathering or জৰিয়তে কি হ'ব তাৰ হিল বা বালি বিলাকৰ পৰা তাতে পৰি গুৰি হৈ উলাই কিছুমান মলিকিউল উলাই আহিব যেনেকুৱা ক্যালসিয়াম আয়ৰন এইবোৰ উলাই আহিব then what happen a carbonic acid de কি কৰিব ক্যালসিয়ামৰ লগত লগ হৈ পেলাই calcium carbonate form koribo. They form the carbonic acid associated with the calcium molecule and they form calcium carbonate. This is also the common name of calcium carbonate is limestone. We know about the limestone. It's present in ocean, especially in ocean. So they form limestone. Then again by the process of subduction process ki hoy tectonic plate bilak thake noa ama earthor sob bilak so ami sob eta plate or upor asu gotike tectonic plate bilak move kori thake anytime jetia enake move kori goi thakibo by the movement ko hoy subduction process ei movement or joriote ki hobo limestone bilak earthor bhitor humai jabo aru deep section ot pori jabo deep section of pora mane ki earthor tate ki thakibo the core portion of the earth is very hot, no, volcanoes are there, so limestone khini deep section poribo. Then by the process of volcanic eruption জৰিয়তে বা আগ্নেয়গিৰিৰ জৰিয়তে again আমাৰ কাৰ্বন খিনি এটমস্ফিয়াৰত ওলাই যাব by the process in the form of carbon dioxide. So it is a geological cycle. Geologically carbon to atmosphere পৰা মাটিত পৰিব, again মাটিৰ পৰা release হৈ যাব. So this is the geological cycle. Sometimes what happen, plant বিলাক বহুত দিন ধৰি মাটিত পৰি পৰি তাতে ফসিল সৃষ্টি কৰে, and from the plant they form fossil fuel. Plant or animal, they form fossil fuel. And when we burn the fossil fuel, then again it releases the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So this is another cycle of the carbon. Plant or animal, they form fossil fuel, and if we burn the fossil fuel, it releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So as a whole, this is the carbon cycle. In the next class, we will discuss about the nitrogen cycle. That's all. Thank you.